Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today is Tuesday and two more trading sessions. Friday is a public holiday and I'll be traveling to Bengaluru on Friday for the workshop on Saturday and Sunday. So if you are interested, contact our office. Contact numbers are given in the description. So now we are getting some good response. So hopefully we get even more good response. Bengaluru always, best place for my workshop. So Chennai and Bengaluru are the two more favorite places. So most of the time I do workshop in these two cities only. Coming back to market, and yesterday the markets rallied, a non-stop rally. In the last half an hour, the Nifty future shot up. The Nifty future was trading at 70-point premium to the spot. But what happened today is exactly the opposite. And today, Nifty followed the tradition. In the morning, if the market gap up, a Nifty has to fall more than 200 points. In the morning, if market gap down, Nifty will have to recover more than 200 points. So that condition was satisfied today. If not Nifty, the Nifty future has fallen more than 200 points from intraday high to intraday low. But however, this is a expiry related issue. So the expiry is gone. So let us forget about the expiry. And now this is a new expiry. And starting itself, there are some good news, there are some bad news. And one, it's not really a bad news. And now the Taiwan stock market has overtaken Indian stock market in terms of its market cap. But remember, we are a population of more than 140 crore. Their population is not even 3 crore. I think 23 million, that's what people say, that's about 2.3 crore. But still, their market cap is higher than Indian market cap. Why? Taiwan is very, very famous for semiconductors. So, India, doesn't have a semiconductor industry. So, the darling of the markets for the last few years is semiconductors. So that's one. The second bad news is that, there seems to be some attack by US in Iran. So we thought, whether this Iran deal will go through or not, Over the weekend, the people were speculating, Trump has, returned from this son's wedding, cancelled his wedding trip. All those kind of things, the people thought, in any moment the deal may come, but the deal has not come. And on the contrary, the problems are more. So we do not know whether there is going to be a deal or not. And another thing, today morning I mentioned that, the finance minister said she's willing to listen to the people recommendations. But market has given a very big thumbs down. And I'll tell you just for a joke, my wife is a housewife. She's supposed to cook food for me. She's supposed to make coffee for me. But she refused to do anything. And then as and when I come home, whatever money is there in my pocket, she will take 30% of that money, 35% of that money. And the worst thing is that sometimes, I lose money in my business, but still she takes away. And she call it as a security transaction tax. So even you lose also, she takes away. Then what happened, I got annoyed with my wife. I told her, I'm going to divorce you. Right? And then she said, no, husbands can come and go. It doesn't matter. So my parents will take care of me. And the things have gone to a great extent, right? Even her own parents, got annoyed with her. And you are doing like this, we may withdraw our support anytime for you also. And then, fearing of the divorce. And she said, I'm willing to listen. Then I decided to drop the divorce case. But then, even after that also, she has not done anything. One day I got angry and I asked her, no, you said you are willing to listen, then why you are not doing anything? Then she said, I said I'm willing to listen. When did I say I'm willing to act? So I'm not going to act. I'm just going to only listen to you. So, the people who know the meaning of this joke, you can enjoy the joke, right? So, left, right, and center, the taxes has been increased for stock market. And that time they were not willing to listen to anybody. They did not consult anybody. And also, many traders were complaining that, the India has actually worked out some deal with US, right? So, on February 1, they come and increase the STT so big. The market falls, but then, 1 or 2 days later, when the US deal announcement comes, market will recover. So, finally, the people will forget it. Right? So this is the problem. Every time they increase the tax, they think that, people will get used to it. But now the problem is that FIIs continue to sell in the market relentlessly. They are selling it so relentlessly, now our market cap is less than the Taiwan market cap. And their population is 2.3 crore. We are about 140 crore. And forget about all these things. Why these people worry about Taiwan and Singapore and Hong Kong? Now the problem is that the Indian rupee keeps on depreciating. So if Indian rupee keeps on depreciating, that is going to have a big impact in economy. In between, they just spread some rumors. I don't know whether it was spread intentionally. Even in the international newspapers, it came that, India is considering reducing the taxes or doing away with the taxes for the interest income for the GSEC. But then after that, it's gone silent. So maybe, when there is a big problem, the people come and talk something or give some rumor. Then after that, they don't do any action. So the market is not willing to listen. So the market does not want finance minister to listen. The market wants finance minister to act. So let us see whether they are going to act or not. But yesterday evening, the finance minister making such a statement, and today Nifty is falling. That too falling below and closing below 24,000 after a long time, after nearly 8-9 trading sessions. Yesterday the Nifty closed about 24,000, but today it could not sustain. It has closed below 23,000. In fact, 23,900 was also broken at some point of time. So this is really, really very, very pathetic closing. So when such a good news comes, the markets are not reacting positively, then when it's going to react? So remember, as I said, long term, I'm still bearish. And my statement from September 2024, if you starting the date, if you take the 26,300 Nifty hit, from that point for the next 5 to 10 years, Nifty is not going to give even fixed deposit return. Of course, and if the government changes its policy, it's a different story. But why should they change? So the history doesn't show. Once in 2009, they came under a severe pressure, and that is the time they reduced the corporate tax. But now let us see. People are hoping some kind of relief in long-term capital gain tax or short-term capital gain tax. Now forget about long-term and short-term capital gain tax. this STT has to be reduced. Or at least STT paid must be taken as a tax paid in advance. At least we should be able to do it. And also, security transaction tax, it's ridiculous to collect from the people who are losing the money. Nowhere in the world the government collects the tax when you lose the money. Government is supposed to collect the tax only when you make the money, not when you lose the money. So forget about it. So this has been talked for many times. Even one of the influencer, in fact, filed a case in Supreme Court also. But you know how the Supreme Court acts. If there is any politician, even you go to the midnight also, they will take the case immediately. But these kind of cases, will drag on for many years. So let us forget about all those things, right? So finally, in the brutal month, May series, every day 200 point reversal has come to an end. So we are going to start a new series, June series, but still uncertainties are not over. This Iran issue is still there, and FII selling is also there. I think today FIIs must have sold, otherwise why the market should have fall like this? And so alternatively, one day they are buying, one day they are selling. So the problems continue. But only thing is that the people are hoping that this Iran problem will come to an end, and also the government do something good. So with that hope, people are expecting Nifty to cross 25,000 in the month of June. My view is that 23,000 to 25,000 is the range for June series. So why is that, and all those things I will explain later. Now I need to go for a function, so therefore I'm shooting the video earlier. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.